Hey, what's going on YouTube? Tap back with another video, and today I want to talk about what is the first step. And the first thing you need to do is start an online business. The first thing, if I was starting over again, something brand new, I want to start a brand new thing, what would the first thing I need to do? Well, the first thing we need to do is find out what you want to do. You gotta find out what you want to do. You want to start an e-commerce store. You want to promote products online. You just want to make some side money. You just want to start something and make some money. You got to decide what is your niche. What do you want to promote? Do you want to whatever your niche is? Find a niche first. Make sure the niche has affiliate products to promote. The Amazon 9 times out of 10 will have those products. So if you're into computers or networking, you're into helping people solve computer problems, there's programs for that as well. So that's the first thing. First thing to do, find out what you want to do. The second thing I would do is find out how are you going to relay the message to people. How are you going to let people find you, and how to get the word out that you're promoting something. See, you need content. That's the one thing you need to make money online. The one thing you need. I know you need traffic, but you need content. You need something somebody can watch, a video to watch, a blog post to read, a podcast to listen to, some ad to look at, or advertisement to look at. You need something, content. You need something to get people attention. You need a blog post to read or a video. You need content. You need to create content. And once that content's created, you need people looking at that content. Now, this could be video from YouTube. It could be a blog post with a blog. This could be a podcast. It could be an ad for advertisement. It could be on social media. It could be a lot of different things. It could be a store. You could build an online store or Shopify and promote it to social media and promote it in different places. You need something to promote. You need content. So the one thing I would do, the first step is what am I going to do to develop content? That's it. My case, I do YouTube videos and I do blog posts. I got a blog, I do YouTube videos. That's my way of getting my content out there. I take my content and share it on social media. So your first step is find a niche, whatever you like doing, whatever you like talking about. That's the first step. Find what you want to talk about. Second step is to find affiliate products, or create your own product, but find affiliate products that can line up with your niche. So if your niche is losing weight, there's plenty of losing weight stuff out there. If you're a gym buff and you in the gym all the time, there are plenty of products. You're a bodybuilder. There's plenty of products you could promote as a bodybuilder from Amazon and Walmart or whatever. So how are you going to relay the message? You're going to do a blog post. You could do a video. You do, a podcast. You're going to post on social media all the time. You got to take the message and relay the message. Okay, so those are your first steps. That's the first step. So if I start up something new right now, if I want to get into, say I want to get into fishing. So I want to start something with fishing. I want to start promoting products, fishing rods, bait. I want to promote fishing, how to fish programs, how to fish books. I want to promote fishing. I never promoted fishing before. What I would do is I will create a blog around fishing, a fishing blog, and write content on the fishing blog. That's what I would do. I also will go fishing and take pictures of fishing. I will shoot videos, how to catch a fish, how to cast, how to put the bait on the hook, how to clean the fish. I would create videos on fishing. That's what I would do. And I would take those blog posts and videos and share it on social media. That's how I would do. And then I create an ebook on fishing. I could create a video course on fishing. And that's what I would start. I will start doing that first. So create a blog, write content on the blog. I will go fishing one day and do the content. Right? Go fishing one day, write the content out there when fishing, take pictures of the fish I catch, shoot a video, and that's it. And I would take all that information, put it on the blog, put it on YouTube, and share it to the world. And that's one way I would do something brand new that I've never done before and start making money. Now, I would take the stuff I'm using, the rods, the bait, the tackle box, whatever I clean the fish with, whatever I use in the videos on my blog posts or whatever I use while I'm fishing, I would go to Amazon, find those products, and link them on my blog post and link them to my YouTube channel. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. Any niche you're in, you can go on YouTube or create a blog post and promote it. If you know how to fix cars and you're not you know how to do it DIY for your home, I mean, you can do blog posts about that and create a YouTube video about that. You know, you can do that. And that's something that you already know how to do, and then you make money from it. So don't overthink it. You just do the work. You just do the blog and a YouTube channel. If you don't want to do a blog, just do a YouTube channel. It costs nothing to host a YouTube channel. It costs nothing to do videos. If you know how to cut hair, your YouTube channel could be about hair. And you also do a blog about hair. I mean, I'm pretty sure Amazon has hair products you can promote. So you get a certain amount of clippers, you can promote the clippers on YouTube video on your blog, and you start making money. Once the content's created, you have to do some traffic. You have to share it on social media and share it around the world. Share it on social media, do YouTube, share it with your friends and family, put it on Pinterest, all that stuff. So those are the first steps of making money online. You have to find out what you're good at, how to monetize that, how to show people you know how to do it. Write a blog post, do a video. Not hard to do. Once you do that, you find products on Amazon that you use in the video, and you can promote that with the affiliate link. And that's how you would do it. That's how you would do it. So in my case, most of my YouTube channels is about jailbreaking fire sticks. That's something I know how to do. A lot of people don't know how to do that. And I've been doing it for a long time, so I'm thinking about doing a blog about, you know, Cody and jailbreaking fire sticks and computers and, you know, getting stuff like that. That type of niche site. And that's something like that will be something hard to do because I can only, you know, put a Fire Stick for an affiliate link, maybe a VPN service, maybe a TV, and that's it. It's not much to do it. So the monetization for that would be low, but I jailbreak Fire Sticks. I'm thinking about doing the blog about that. I got a YouTube channel. I can either take my videos, put on the blog, and just drive traffic to the blog. That's it. That's all you have to really do. And then from there, you can build an email list. That's something later, but once traffic comes, then you build an email list and email people every day. So that's the first steps you need to do to make money online. Find what you're good at, how to monetize it. Okay, I like fishing. Or I like flying kites. You can do a flying kite blog and then do YouTube videos about that. If you have a drone, do a YouTube channel about drones, how to fix drones. You know how to fix drones pretty well? Do a YouTube channel about that and do a blog about that. Do a blog about fixing drones, and then when you fix the drone, you write some content, take a picture on your cell phone, upload to your blog, and you're done. And that's how you make money online. It's not hard. If you know how to cook, you can do a cooking blog and a cooking channel. Those are very hot right now. A cooking blog, a cooking channel, and create your own cookbook. It's not hard nowadays. It's easy. You do all this on your cell phone. So that's the end of the video. There's a little rant. It's not as hard as everybody think it is. But that's the first steps. Okay, identifying what you're good at and putting it out there. Putting it out there on platforms and linking them to Amazon, the products and services that you use while you're doing it. So like the video, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.